guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing week and day so far. Oh, and if you're new here, hi, this is Minal. I make all sorts of DIY lifestyle food kind of videos. So if you're interested, click on the red button down below, that is the subscribe button, and click on the bell next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So as it is back to school season and my last video was on DIY notebooks for back to school season, if you haven't watched it yet, click on the I that might be right here or right here so that you can watch it. So for today's video, I thought I might show you guys 3 DIYs for more back to school season or even back to college season. I hope you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like so that it inspires me to make more videos for you guys. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I mean, come on, it's absolutely free. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. I don't know why I did that. I don't know. So yes. So the first DIY for today is a phone case. All you need is a transparent phone case and some nail paints. Here I'm using shades of pink, grey and white. All you need to do is blob some dots onto the inside of the cover. Make sure you do this on the inside so that it gives a nicer effect. Make sure you put the dots on a distance and then build it up as you go and as you like it. In this one, I'm just gonna do half the case to give it more dramatic look. And there you have it, guys, a simple phone case ready for back to school. The second DIY is a noteboard. In this, all I have used is a wooden board, a small cutout of wood, some washi tapes, binder clips and scissors. As you can see, I'm just diagonally sticking washi tapes onto the wood boards. Then on the back side, I'm gonna secure it with Mod Podge so that it does not come off. Then I'm just gonna attach the binder clip and some sticky notes or small piece of papers, and there you have it, a cute desk organization for back to school. The third and the last DIY is a magnetic book cover. All you need to do is first of all measure a piece of paper according to your notebook and also the thickness of your notebook and cut all those parts out. Remember to cut a strip for your thickness of your notebook. Now I'm going to make sure that the size is perfectly the size of the notebook, and I'm going to fold it and cut it into a triangle as shown in the video. Now I'm going to take the strip that is the thickness of a notebook and stick it at the end of the book. Make sure you keep a little gap so that it folds out perfectly. I'm also going to attach the triangle part that we cut before, same as we did with the strip. Make sure that it folds out perfectly. Now I'm going to stick some magnets. Here I'm using magnetic strip. Now as you can see, the paper I was going to use to wrap my book was a lot smaller than I needed. So now I'm going to do is just remove the magnets and cut down the triangle part a little more and make sure the wrapper fits perfectly or the cover fit perfectly. And now I'm just going to cover the book normally as we usually do. And for the triangle part, just cut in the middle so that it can be folded easily and can be stuck together. This is how I cover my notebook. You can cover it in whatever way you would like to. It's up to you. And there you have it, a magnetic book cover ready for back to school. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to share it with all your schoolmates, college mates, friends, so that they can also enjoy and not miss the simple DIYs that can be done to just spice up your school experience or college experience. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. and also leave a like so that it tells me that you want to see more from me. And I'll see you guys in the next one.